a video! What?
Naturally this flawless. I'm just kidding.
I'm blessed. Thick wing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my sister Celeste because today I wanted to do a tutorial, so to speak, on how to do wing liner on a person, because I know starting out on wing makeup I really wanted to do like wing liner on people, but I didn't know how to, so I just really went for it. I think how you get better at it is just by practicing. So this question came from a girl named Maddie Thompson. She DMs me and asked me because she was saying that they always asked her to do wing liner on them and it was just difficult for her to do. So I'm doing this video for girls that want to do that on other people. So to start off, when I do makeup, I always use gel liner on people. I think gel is just so much easier, although I don't even like using it on me. Like personally, I like liquid on myself. I just think applying it with a angled brush, which this is my favorite one from Zoeva. This is their 317 brush. I will leave it linked down below. And this is the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel in the shade Black. I really prefer this one over like the MAC one. Okay, so this one right here is not as long as this Zoeva brush. I really prefer it because it gets closer to their inner corner and I don't have to bother them. Like open and...
Hello! We are recording a video! Let's feature them. Shout out to Annie and Jasmine. Hi, Theo.
So like I was saying, I really just recommend you guys to see what works best for you. But honestly, I think this is the best tip that I can give you guys, is just work with gel on other people, and if you like that for yourself, or if you like liquid, you know, that's for you. So let's be sanitary, folks. So if you're gonna be a makeup artist or something like that, you know, you need these in your kit. It comes with a spatula. You can get these like on Amazon. They come together. So she doesn't have anything on. She's naturally this flawless. I'm just kidding.
I'm blessed. I use the Cover FX highlighter dropper liquid thing, so and also it's my oil.
Scooping out some product onto my palette. Alright, so I just patted a little bit of product, and I don't want it to be so packed on there because then you won't have enough like movement.
Precision.
Yeah, precision, especially if you do eyeshadow on them already, and then you know it's frustrating when you mess up and you have to take off all their eye makeup. You're gonna make the client look down or close their eyes, so you do whatever you want. I start, oh wait, let me zoom in so y'all can see. So I'm gonna have her look down, and I'm gonna start halfway to make a line, and then I'm gonna go into the inner corner. I'm gonna pull her eyes a little, but not too much. Like you don't wanna like pull her skin so much, especially if your client has folds in their eyes. I've had people who I've had to lift their eyelid to get really close to their lash line, because if you don't do that sometimes you can still see white when they look up. And if you have to, make them look up, make them look to the side. Don't be embarrassed of telling them to move their eye. So I'm going to add a little bit more product onto my brush, and I'm going to go into the inner corner. So look to like towards my belly. There you go. So you see how I made her look at my belly? So she kind of looked this way because I'm over here. But now look into the camera. So now she has just a straight line. So that's where I would stop if she didn't want a wing liner. Now you always have to ask, obviously, if they want a long wing or if they like shorter wings. So now for the wing part, I always make them look straight ahead so that I know how their wing will look if they look up, especially since the folds and everything. And I'm gonna grab a little bit more product onto my brush. Now looking straight ahead, I'm just gonna do the little wing, and then you can always fix it, so don't worry if it's a little chunky. Now for the top of the wing, I'm gonna make her look down, and then I connected it, and I'm gonna fill it in. Now this part, I always do it when I don't have as much product. I can flick it, but like this is getting a little too long, so I'm gonna have to like conceal it.
Oh, maybe.
So that's like a decent thickness
That's
to
a
it.
thick wing, yeah.
So I'll do another one, like a really thin one. Just do like a thin line. Now for the wing part, okay? So look straight ahead, so that way. And then I'm gonna do like the little wing part. And then I'm gonna look down. And with like a makeup wipe, then you can start cleaning this up. Or with like concealer or something. I always do their eye makeup first so that if this ever happens, I can literally swipe off their wing and fix it. So I don't like that wing, so I'm gonna do it again. There you go. You can pick it out a little bit more. You always ask them to look down so that when they look down, please, you will have a straight wing liner on them most of the time. If you do not, then it's going to look bumpy. And from there, by asking them, you will see how crooked your line is. Alright guys, well hopefully someone out there got some helpful tricks and tips from this video. And thank you, Celeste, for being my model. Hey! So just keep practicing. I haven't done this on anyone in a while, so I've been a little rusty. But yes, keep practicing, don't give up, and hopefully this video helps. I'll see y'all in my next video.
Bye.